mean, shit, to be honest with you, man, she's a
bad thing. She fine as hell. Thick as fuck. Oh my god. That's my baby.
We're talking Teletubbies. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and Po.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. I'm
sitting here.
Yoo-hoo! Want a treat?
She like me.
Molly rocks in my green tea.
I'll keep your best interest.
Dang.
Like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed.
My arms are small, my legs are small, my feet are small, my head's small, my eyes are small, my eyebrows small, my nose small, my mouth small, and my belly small, my hiney big.
I'm a kitty, never really busy. I love catnip, but it makes me frisky. You know my mood is always tricky, but I'm silly. Yeah, I'm a kitty. Wow.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy. I know you're obsessed with me.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Oh.
Oh, yo!
Watermelon sugar high. 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 Poke it out, poke it out, poke it out. Daddy, poke it out, poke it out.
She passed away? Oh. All right.
playboy, 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 playboy.
What's poppin'? Don't mind me just watching.
This is my outside cat. I don't know who the actual owner is, but she's a really sweet girl. She lets me pet her. And in the background there, you can see Tesla.
hands in the air if you're loving tonight. Told you what you meant to me. Whoa. Now I pay the price. And another.
Nobody thinks what I think.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you.
Is your cat kinda dumb? Does he think that plastic's gum? I think he chases ghosts, but who the hell knows? Every time I try to pet him, he thinks I'm gonna kill him. Is your cat kinda dumb?
You wanna put a ring on my finger?
Put it on and make him wanna marry me. Yeah. Put it on and make him wanna marry me.
Make a scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me.
Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pa, not the way that I do love you.
Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Oh, home, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you.
This is the Stupid Dumb Wrong Spoon. I only hit people with it that are stupid, dumb, or wrong.
If you think you don't deserve happiness.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was lovely to have you this year. See you next year, or not.
He has no lips. How will he get a kiss? Very ugly. No kiss for him.
Guys, look at Puddin's little smile. Puddin, I've never seen you smile before. Look at your little tongue, it's so cute. Puddin.
I'm a big kid now.
Hudson, you're getting a brother or sister today. Are you excited? Hudson, this is your new brother. Let him smell it for a little bit. What the heck
is wrong with this guy?
He doesn't care. There's a baby here.
No.
Don't hiss.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. It's a baby. He's trying to play with Hudson. He's playing with his tail. They're best friends now. Look at him. What? Oh, is that your baby, Hudson? That's your baby.
Out the muscle. You wanna fight on tussle. I'm talking about
Alright, this is just proof that he knows his name. So I'm just talking to him or whatever. You know, I can talk to him however I want, in whatever voice. Just talking. But, watch what happens when I say his name. Kurt! See?
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Now don't you understand that I'm never changing who I am? It's turning, isn't it? I need a little bit.
Hot and dangerous.
Oh my gosh. It's been a while, but look.
He's got perfect little mitts. The sleeping beans. Yo, he's literally perfect. Good morning, sir. His little toes just make me so happy. He's just smiling in his sleep. I'm gonna cry.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Look at you, strawberry shark, swimming deep in the dark. I love it when you swim my way. Can you hear the crash of the waves on those warm sunny days while you are out there stalking prey?
Oh my goodness, you're such a pretty kitty. You are such a pretty kitty.
You're gonna be a good girl? Okay, honey. See you later. Promise, sweetie.
I am Confucian.
Absolutely right, sir.
Rawr. Hey guys, do you guys wanna go get a bath? And then mommy can clip your nails? And then I know you don't like that, but then I can brush your teeth. And then for dinner, mama can give you green beans. And then we can go to the vet. And then we can go swimming in the pool. Does that sound good? No, you don't like those things? I know. But you do love Grandma's house? Yeah, and for a walk, and for a ride.
Want to see how my cat decides to sleep tonight? Oh, it's still filming. Hello.
Say I love you. Oh, good boy, Charlie. Say I love